Okay, now I want to teach you a new sound. Cikgu nak ajar bunyi baru. Do you want to hear it? Nak
Yes.
dengar? Okay, nak. Kalau if you want, listen carefully. Look at my mouth. The sound is k, k, k,
Ke.
k, k. What sound did you hear?
Ke. Ke.
Okay.
Ke.
Okay. Now let's say ke 5 times with me. Ke,
Ke.
ke,
Ke.
ke,
Ke.
ke,
Ke.
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 Okay, now I want you to say ke 5 times more. Cikgu nak Iman pula say ke 5 kali.
Ke. 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 Ke.
Good. Okay, bagus. Now, ke sounds like coughing. Look at me. Bunyi ke tu macam bunyi batuk. Tengok teacher. Ke, 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 ke. Ke sounds like coughing. Like what? Coughing. Okay, let's do it together. Jom buat sama-sama. Tangan macam gini. Lepas tu batuk. Ke, 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 ke. Okay, good. Now, I will show you the symbol for ke. Okay, teacher akan tunjuk simbol ke. Okay, so this is ke. What sound is this?
This ke.
Ke, good. This sound is ke. Let's say ke 5 times. Sebut ke 5 kali.
Ke. 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 Ke.
Good. Okay. Ke sounds like coughing. Okay.